Hello, we are today again with the Mercedes W124, and this time I will show you how to adjust your handbrake. So what do we need for now? We need something like this to place in front of the front wheel to prevent the car rolling. We will need a jack, so I've got this, but you can use the car jack, there's no problem with that. And we will need a car stand, just to make sure, because we need to remove the wheel, just to support the vehicle. Okay, so we will need to do both sides at the same time. The two wheels needs to be in the air because they need to be able to turn. Okay, if one wheel is on the floor, we can't turn the axle. Okay, so what we do now, we place this in front, we start removing the wheel, and we place the jack under, and then the stand. If you got only one jack, then you do one side first and then after the other side. Okay, let me show you what I've done. As you can see, I've placed the stand for the support here in front for the car not rolling. Here's the other one. On this side, the jack. As you can see, the wheel is raised. This is loose. I've loosened all the bolts. And on the other side, same thing. But this time I've used the other jack, the jack for the that's delivered with the car. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna remove one wheel, place the jack under the car, and then remove the other wheel and place the jack as well. Wheel is now removed. I've got the stand below the axle. Just security measure, I've placed the wheel below the car just in case it were to drop for one reason or another. And on the other side, I've done exactly the same thing. Okay, so now let's start. Now place your car in neutral and make sure the handbrake is loose. We will take a small fine screwdriver flat, okay, and we'll place the wheel like this, more or less. You can see it's more or less, you see, we're gonna use that hole, and more or less here we've got like a tooth wheel, okay, and we're gonna place this inside and we're gonna turn that wheel. I will try to find a picture of that system, okay, that I will place on the video so you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so now it's important that we use a screwdriver and we turn it. So you place it inside. Not sure if you can hear it. Okay, we turn it until this become solid, until this can't turn anymore. We do the same thing. We do this here and we do on the other side as well. Okay, now that it's fixed, okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna untie it, okay, but we're gonna make sure we do it same for both. So if for instance you loosen it, let's say you go 5 times, you need to go 5 times on the other side. If you go 7 times, 7 times on the other side. Okay, that way we will have a same pressure on both wheels. There won't be a mismatch. Okay, it's very important. Okay, so I will do 5 times. When it's done, just check your handbrake just to make sure everything is fine. As we can see, not even one click goes in, so I need to loosen it a bit more. Okay, I've now loosened it a total of 8 times, and now I'm checking it. Okay, now it's perfect. Okay, my handbrake is now fixed. It's properly adjusted. All I need to do now is mount the wheel, remove the jack, etc., and it's done. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty easy. Well, I hope you have liked the video, and let's see each other in the next one. Ciao.